Welcome everybody. We are at Innofields at Royal Eijkelkamp headquarters, the Netherlands. This is where our Royal Eijkelkamp Open Day will happen. Thursday the 6th of October 2022. It will be everything for sonic drilling. It will be everything for smart monitoring. It will be everything for smart farming solutions. It will be everything for geotechnical sensors. It will be all the innovations we have been working on so hard for your success. This is one of the best events for smart solutions for soil and water management. You can't miss this. Be here. Thank you very much.